Imagine being able to turn your car into a mobile power station without having to mess with complex wiring systems. With the Fuse Tap experience, you can easily connect additional devices like a cigarette lighter socket without worrying about cutting into the electrical wiring. Instead of dealing with changing wires, you simply remove a fuse, replace it with a simple adapter, and then reconnect the new fuse. The result? You'll have a new power source for auxiliary devices without fretting over whether the battery has enough juice to start the engine, especially in cold weather conditions. During the freezing winter months, dealing with temperature-challenged car batteries can be a nightmare. But fret not, the solution comes in the form of quick-release battery terminals. Instead of spending time and effort removing and reinstalling each terminal every time you need a battery swap, simply use quick-release terminals to get the job done much faster. With smart color coding, you don't have to worry about getting the positive and negative poles right. You can easily identify them by color. It's as simple as lifting up to open the terminal and pressing down to securely clamp it shut. Besides swiftly addressing battery issues, heat shrink tubing also plays a crucial role in insulating electrical wires, providing superior insulation capability. This not only keeps your electrical system running smoothly in harsh conditions, but also makes battery replacement processes easier and more convenient than ever. Imagine you're driving through dark, shadowy streets and suddenly bright LED headlights with various shapes and sizes illuminate the road ahead. This brilliance not only outshines xenon and standard halogen headlights, but also provides a safer and more convenient driving experience in any situation. This makes LED headlights the top choice for nighttime journeys. Operating at their peak alongside turn signals, they not only enhance visibility, but also make you more easily identifiable on the road. Moreover, with their round shape, these LED headlights will seamlessly fit most SUVs, trucks, and standard-sized cars, adding an intriguing and modern appearance to your vehicle. Don't rush to exit this boring video without considering comment number 2, "I'll change it if I know you're hating it." Think of the impact driver as a superhero in the world of tools. Every craftsman needs to understand how this tool operates to avoid pitfalls later on. Specifically designed to loosen rusted bolts or screws, the impact driver is an incredibly efficient choice. With capabilities that regular screwdrivers can't match, it helps you remove stubborn screws effortlessly without damaging the screw head. Moreover, its reinforced metal body design makes using it feel like an adventure in the world of fasteners. With a set of 13 interchangeable bits, you can rest assured that every repair task will be tackled quickly and easily. Imagine yourself as an automotive painter, and the paint gun for the spray can is your magic wand, allowing you to transform the color of any part of your car easily and creatively. With its ability to evenly spray paint into every nook and cranny, this tool is not only user-friendly, but also turns painting into an enjoyable experience. Simply attach the spray gun to the paint can and squeeze the trigger, and you can be confident that the spray gun will securely fix and never let you down. With a comfortable grip, it fits most spray cans and helps you paint different parts quickly and with quality. It's not just limited to painting, but also compatible with various spray cans containing primer, gloss paint, and many other types of paint. This means you can unleash your creativity and create unique paint artworks for your beloved car. Imagine opening your car trunk and discovering a large organizational box, not only easily assembled from a few puzzle pieces, but also foldable when not needed. Made of waterproof synthetic leather that's easy to clean, this is not just a convenient tool, but also a part of the convenient driving experience. You can arrange various accessories like engine oil, coolant, car towels, or even a fire extinguisher, all neatly organized and compartmentalized inside. With 2 different sizes to choose from, ranging from small to medium, with diameters of 14 inches and 22 inches respectively, you can easily select one that fits your trunk space. The exhaust tip is the perfect gift for car enthusiasts. With this exhaust tip, your car will become much more refined and eye-catching. You can choose between matte or glossy black, both of which exude a strong and sporty appearance. With various sizes available, you can easily find the right exhaust tip for any type of vehicle. Installation is also quick, taking only a few minutes, and the results will leave you satisfied for a long time. For many years now, almost every car owner has had to deal with issues related to the air intake system of the amplifier box. The problem could stem from poor quality oil or inappropriate oil selection. So what's the reality? The internal combustion engine breathes by throwing oil onto the intake mesh panels, causing the intake valve to get dirty and oil to leak into the combustion chamber, resulting in burning and leaving a layer of carbon deposits. The installation solution is very straightforward. Simply remove the standard hose of the high-speed breather, measure the diameter of the connections to select the appropriate hose, and then install it into the cutout section of the oil reservoir. This reservoir has a maximum capacity of 300 milliliters and is available in 3 colors: black, blue, red, and silver. Car owners all understand that maintaining the air intake system is crucial to dealing with road debris.